Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to design the implementation of logic diagram as well as the truth table for an half adder. Okay, so coming to here, what is meant by half adder? You have to understand. Okay, so these half adders are very important, where these half adders are the examples of a combinational circuit. As soon as you give the, we have already the difference in our lecture video. If you give the input to the combinational circuits, they are going to provide the output. Then that's why the half adder comes under combinational circuit, and there's no memory used in combinational circuit. There is no memory storage. Okay, and what this half adder is going to do is, so it is going to perform only half of the addition. That's why it is called half adder. So with the help of logic gates, we are going to use some OR gate, AND gate, NOR gate. With the help of these logic gates, we are going to perform an simple addition. Then it is called as an half adders. Okay, so with the help of these combinational circuits, which are called logic circuits, we are going to perform a simple addition which is called half adder. Okay, so here the half adder inputs are a is one input, output is b, and here we are going to find out the sum value as well as the carry value. The carry value is the AND operation. This is nothing but the logic gate. What you are going to hear is AND operation, and the sum you are going to get a exclusive OR of B. So this operator is called exclusive OR operation. So as per the De Morgan's law, we can write down this as a bar B plus a B bar. Okay. So this is how we are going to get the sum, and here we are going to have an AND operator, and here also you are going to have one AND operator, and here also you are going to have one AND operator, and here you are going to have one OR operator. Okay, so that's why the with the help of the combinational logic gates, or with the help of this OR gate and gate, we are going to design a simple addition. Then these kind of sequential circuits are called half adder. Okay, now let us try to find the sum of this. Sum is equal to a exclusive B. So where this is called exclusive OR operation. Exclusive OR is equal to, then we're going to get A bar B and A B bar. Okay. Now let's try to do this one. Okay. So now let us try to select the two inputs. Okay. So A is one input and B is another input. So here you are going to have two inputs. So how many possibilities are there? 2 square is equal to 4 possibilities we can write down. So here I am going to write down the decimal values as 0, 1, 2, 3. And here you are going to write down 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2. How to write down decimal 0 in binary form is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 as well as 1, 1. So these are the two inputs, and we need to perform a bar b. So I am going to write down the a bar value. A bar is how much? 1, 1, 0, 0 is the a bar value, and next one is b bar. Okay, so what is b bar? Is nothing but negation of this value, 1, 0, 1, 0. So now next one we have to perform is a bar b, which is nothing but AND operation, a bar b. So this is a bar and this is b. For this you have to write down and means both should be 1. So here only one is there, automatically 0. So here both one is there, 1. So both 0, 0. 1, only one is there automatically, which is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 0 is nothing but a bar b. And similarly how to perform a b bar, we have to perform. Okay, so a b bar, so this is nothing but a column and this is nothing but b column. For these two columns I have to perform AND operation. So 0 and 1 automatically 0. So 0 0, you're going to get 0. 1 1, you're going to get 1. And 1 0 also, you're going to get 0. Okay, so now for this 2, you have to perform the carry, which is nothing but a exclusive with b. So for these two, you have to perform or operation. Okay, so how to perform or operation is this 0 1 1 is there, 1 is there, and one more 1 is there, 1 is there, and one more 1 is there. This is nothing but 1. So here you are going to get the output as 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this is how we are going to have. Okay, here, sorry, here you're going to have 1 0. Okay, so a bar b, just if you want you can do of your own, then you can verify of your own. So a bar b, 1 into 0 is nothing but you are going to get 0. So therefore ultimately this is also an 0. So this is what the carry we are going to get. And coming to the and, so and is nothing but we need to perform a into b again, where this and is called as the carry. Okay, so this carry you're going to get this very AND operation. 0 0 is 0, and here you're going to have 0 0 1. Okay, so this is the output to what we are going to get for carry, and this is what you're going to get for carry, and this is the sum output to what you are going to get. Okay, so now let us try to implement so this way of indicating ones and zero is called as a truth table. Okay, and for this truth table we have to develop the logic diagram. Now let us try to go for the logic diagram of implementation. So coming to the logic diagram of implementation. So the logic diagram, when you come to the logic diagram, so first I'm having an input is A and another input is B. So these two, first what I'm going to do is the symbol of XR is this one. So this is the symbol of XR, and exclusive R of A and B, you are going to get the sum. So this is nothing but sum. Sum is equal to A exclusive B, that is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, and you are going to perform an AND operation. Okay, so this is nothing but AND operation, and one input A into B. Okay, so directly this is A and this is B. So this is going to perform an AND operation, and you are going to get the output as carry, which is nothing but A into B. So this is the carry value and this is the sum value, and this is going to perform with the help of exclusive OR gate and AND gate. We are going to design this. That's why this is called logical diagram, and all the values represented in a form where this is called as the truth table for their implementation. Okay, so this is all about the implementation of simple addition using logic gates. Hope if you find the video is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. And if you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulsi Ram. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another video. Yours Ram.